Hey everyone, my name is Ray. Welcome back. You know, I read it somewhere that blue is one of the more uncommon colors in nature. It's probable that that's why I so quickly spotted the spat out blue chewing gum in the two cases that I saw it. It was very bright. In the first case, I was able to pick it up with the tissue that was discarded almost from the beginning of the trail. And in the second case, I was picking up a different piece of plastic here, which apparently was just right to pick up that chewing gum. So I picked up two pieces of gum that were in someone's mouth. Hope you appreciate this. Have a great day. Peace.